So if you want to do a helicoptero, you need to learn how to swing your legs like a propeller, and that's really the hardest part. So you want to think of the helicoptero as a cartwheel, but instead of landing on your right foot, if you're going towards the left side, you're landing with the left foot. So you're swinging the foot that's supposed to land all the way through. And once you get the hang of that, then it's a lot easier. But you want to use a prop to help you get in that position. So something that you can do is swing your leg just to that position and just shorten your cartwheel a little bit. And that's going to help you get that swing motion so that you don't place your foot on the ground right away. And once your stuffed animal or whatever prop you're using starts swinging like that, then it becomes a lot easier to move on to whatever progression that you're at. Now, from that position, it's really a matter of keeping your hips nice and high and standing up. That requires some flexibility, so that's where the elevation comes in. And then you can lower the elevation over time.